Yeah, speaking of things that are ancient, I want you guys to think back to 3 years ago today. There was a pretty active weather situation. This is back on August 29th, 2015. It was the day we had a windstorm in August. If those of you who were around that time, remember we had wind gusts in western Washington between 50 and 65 miles per hour. Close to 500,000 people were without power at one time. And 2 people actually died in this wind event. Now, we think of windstorms that usually occur in the months of, say, October, November, and December. Well, this year it happened late in August, so it can happen most any time of the year. But we tend to see more mild weather around this time of year, and certainly that's what we're seeing today. A weak weather system slipping just to our north that did give some areas up along the international border some light rainfall. Most of that activity is well off to our north and east, but we're not done with rainfall just yet. We have another system taking a similar path with a little bit more moisture. We have some rain showers in the forecast as we head into tomorrow, especially mid to late morning and into the early afternoon hours. So a good chunk of the day, but you can see on our forecast model right here, we're not expecting a whole lot. A couple hundredths of an inch of rain for most locations. Some of us could see, I'd say, up to a tenth of an inch of rain. Bellingham, about a tenth of an inch. Bremerton, this forecast model is saying the same for you, and down towards Puyallup as well. But most of us are going to see very light amounts of rainfall. The rain chances will fade as we head into Thursday night, and this upcoming Friday is the first day of the fair. If you are going to be heading out there, maybe a stray rain shower early on, but I think towards the afternoon we'll see increasing sunshine. The wind is going to be light and temperatures right around 70 degrees. So overall, a very pleasant day outside. Shorecrest High School, that was their first day back at classes. You can see some teachers still hanging out in the parking lot, and overall a very pleasant day. Many of us were well into the 70s, especially from Seattle southward. Cloud cover lingered a little bit longer, keeping us in the 60s up along the international border, but one of the warmer places, Renton, was still close to 80 degrees. Temperatures are going to take another dip tomorrow. We're going to see upper 60s to low 70s tomorrow, likely through the upcoming holiday weekend. Cooler than average. Our average high temperature for this time of year is 75 degrees. We're probably going to be cooler than that at least through early next week. Let's take a look at your forecast. Best chance for showers in the 7-day is tomorrow, but again, not a whole lot is going to be falling, but temperatures will be noticeably cooler. Well, then we're in a pattern with morning clouds and afternoon sun Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. And if you have Labor Day off, you can expect a partly sunny sky, a stray rain shower in the morning, and then temperatures gradually warming back in the mid-70s by the middle of next week.